trigonometric functions for sum or difference of angles. Based on that, in last video we saw the proof of cos of x plus y and we solved some problems. Now from the formulas what we told in last classes, that means cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y. By using these we have some proofs, and these proofs they are asking for 2 marks in the board examination. So the proofs you see, first one, prove that tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. This is equal to, how we are going to see, simple one, this is equals to, right, tan of x plus y is equal to, tan is equal to sin by cos, so sin of x plus y by cos of x plus y, right? Now sin of x plus y is equal to formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is our formula. By cos of x plus y is equal to what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x sin. Here numerator and denominator are divided with cos x cos y now. Numerator and denominator and divided with cos x cos y. Then what are we going to see? This is equals to sin x cos y by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y by divided by cos x cos y by cos x cos y minus sin x sin y by sin x sin y. So here you see cos y get cancelled, here cos x get cancelled, here total terms are get cancelled. Now tan of x plus y is equal to what we got here is sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Next to here plus sin y by cos y, tan y, total get cancelled, here remaining 1. Sin x by here denominator cos x cos y. So sin x by cos x is tan x, sin y by cos y is tan y. So this is the proof. Next to second one prove that tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 minus 1 plus tan x tan y. This is the question. You see. How we are proving this one? You see now. Next to prove that second one, tan of x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. Similar process, tan of x minus y equal to sin of x minus y by cos of x minus y. You substitute now sin of x minus y formula, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Denominator cos of x minus y formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y formula. So numerator and denominator are divided with cos x cos y. So each term are divided with cos x cos y. Each term, 4 terms are divided with cos x cos y. After this integration, sin y cos tan, like previous question only. Next here sin y by cos y minus tan y, total get cancelled 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x, sin y by cos y by cos y equal to tan. This is the proof. Next to third one prove that cot of x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Proof you see, very simple problems. Cot of x plus y is equal to cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. So cos of x plus y by sin of x plus y. You substitute now cos of x plus y formula, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y by sin of x plus y sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? Now numerator and denominator are divided with sin x sin y. Right? Each term we divide now. Cos x cos y by sin x sin y minus sin x sin y by cos x cos y divided by sin x cos y by cos x sin y. Next we will place cos x sin y. What we are dividing? Sin x sin y. Now here sin x sin y. Right? So here this is equals to cot of x plus y is equals to cos x by sin x is equals to cot x. Here the angle is y, so cot y. Here total is get cancelled, same terms, get cancelled 1 divided by. Here sin x is get cancelled, cos y by sin y is cot y. Is cot y. Next to place here sin y get cancelled, remaining cos x by sin x is cot x. This is our proof. Next to cot of x minus y equal to cot x cot y plus 1 by cot y minus cot x, here plus here minus. How we are proving? Cot of x minus y equal to cos of x minus y by sin of x minus y. You substitute cos of x y by x minus y formula, sin of x minus y formula. Next we divide the same sin x sin y, we will get cot of x minus y formula. Okay, that is the fourth one. That is C1. This is proof. Cot of x minus y is cos of x minus y by sin of x minus y. Cos x minus y formula cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Sin of x minus y formula sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Numerator and denominator divided with sin x sin y. So each term I divide with sin x sin y. Cos by sin cot x cot of x minus y equal to cos by sin cot. So cot x cot y total get cancelled plus 1. Here sin x terms are get cancelled, cos y by sin y cot y. Next here sin y terms are get cancelled, minus cos x by sin x is cot x. So this is our answer. Fourth one. Next to fifth. Fifth one. See, before solving this fifth question, the proof of cos of x plus y theorem already I sent yesterday only. Yesterday only I sent that video. So some of the students I got around 20 plus views. Means around 20 members are saw that watched that video. But still only single student, only one student only sent darshan. Only darshan only he practiced and he sent that answer. So except darshan, remaining at least one student, they didn't practice, they didn't send. I'm waiting today evening. If you send, okay, otherwise tomorrow I will call your parents. Okay? Now you see fifth one. Cos square x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, that is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Means you see in examination how they are asking you see, prove that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Otherwise cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Otherwise cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Otherwise cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Any one they can ask. So we have to practice all the questions. How you see? Very simple problem. Proof or solution. We know that cos of x plus y formula. What is that? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Right? Now replace y by x. That means in place of y I am substituting x only. Now what we are getting is cos of x plus x. Y is replacing with x only. So cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. Now cos of x plus x 2x is equal to cos x into cos x cos square x, sin x into sin x sin square x. So this is the proof of first one. If they ask cos 2x equal to cos square x minus 1, at that time also we need to do up to this one compulsory. After that you write here cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. How I written? From the trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric first identity? Cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. From that, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So this is equals to cos square x minus 1 minus with minus plus 1 cos square x. Cos square x plus cos square x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So which is equal to cos 2x. This one you take as 1. Now next cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square 2 sin square x we are moving, you see. From 1 cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. In examination, if they ask only this is equals to this one, we are moving up to this much. Equation number 1 as it is we are doing. Here we are not writing from 1 this one. Directly this one we have. In place of cos square x here, cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square x. And beside sin square x is as it is. So cos 2x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So 2 sin square x. This is the third. Next the last one, how we are going, you see. From 1 cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is equal to what I am writing, you see. Cos square x minus sin square x by 1. A by 1, A only. So this is equal to cos square x minus sin square x by 1 is equal to, I am writing cos square x plus sin square x. Take first trigonometric identity. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So in place of 1 I have written cos square x plus sin square x. Now numerator and denominator to divide with the cos square x. Now numerator and denominator are divided with cos square x. Now cos 2x is equal to cos square x by cos square x minus sin square x by sin square x cos square x by cos square x by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Then cos 2x is equals to cos square x difference is 1 minus sin square x by cos square x tan square x by cos square x is difference is 1 plus sin square by cos square is tan square x. Therefore tan 2x cos 2x is equals to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This is the proof. Fifth one. Okay. Next, 6. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Proof, you see, we know that sin of x plus y formula. What is that? Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? Now, replace y by x. Y by x. So, in place of x, y, to substitute x only. So, sin of x plus x is equal to sin x cos x in place of y, x. Cos x sin y in place of y, x. Sin x. So, sin of x plus x, 2x is equal to sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. Total 2 sin x cos x. This is the proof. If there are second one, this one compulsory we are doing. Next we will see sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x by 1. Now this is equal to sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x by 1 is equals to, I am writing trigonometric identity, that is cos square x plus sin square x. Now numerator and denominator are divided with cos square x. So what we are getting? 2 sin x cos x by cos square x by cos square x by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. Here cos square x is get cancelled. Here cos x square get cancelled. Therefore, sin 2x is equal to 2 into sin x by cos x is tan x by cos square x is get cancelled 1 plus sin by cos is tan. So tan square x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is the proof. Okay. Next, seventh one, prove that tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Proof, you see, we know that tan of x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Now replace y by x, then tan of x plus x is equals to tan x plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into tan x. Now tan of x plus x, 2x, is equal to tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x into tan x, tan square x. This is the proof. Next row, 8th one, prove that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin 2x. Proof, you see, sin 3x is equals to what I am writing, sin of 2x plus x, 3x. Now this one we expand as sin of x plus y formula. What is that? Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. In place of x, 2x, in place of y, x. X is equal to 2x, y is equal to x we substitute now. So what we are getting? Sin 3x is equal to sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x. You know sin 2x formula. What is that? 2 sin x cos x into cos x. Cos 2x formula we have total 4 formulas we have. In that I am using here cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Why I am using this one, you see, in sin 2x is equal to total in terms of sin only in terms of sin. So that which is how in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square x. So that I am substituting cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x I am substituting into sin x. This is equal to 2 into sin x cos x into cos x cos square x plus 1 into sin x minus 2 sin square x into sin x 2 sin 2x. This is 2 sin x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin 2x. To multiply now 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin x sin square x, 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin 2x. Therefore sin 3x is equal to 2 sin x plus sin x total 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube minus 2 sin cube total minus 4 sin cube x. This is the proof. Okay. Next cos 3x. Next ninth one. Prove that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Proof saying cos 3x is equal to cos 2x plus x I am writing. We know that cos of x plus y formula cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So in the same we substitute x is equal to 2x, y is equal to x. So cos 3x is equal to cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. Now cos 2x in terms of cos, because all the terms in cos, so I am substituting cos 2x in terms of cos. What is that? 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x into sin x. This formula I substituted here. This is this. Now we multiply 2 cos square x into cos x, 2 cos cube x minus 1 into cos x minus 2 sin x into sin x sin square x into cos x. Now 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into cos x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 into 1 2 into cos x. So 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 into cos square x, 2 cos square x into cos x. Total 2 cos cube x, which is equal to cos 3x is equal to 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube, total 4 cos cube, 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x minus 3 cos x. So this is the next one, 10th one. Prove that tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So this is our 10th one. Proof using some little bit simplification part is there. You watch carefully this one. Tan 3x same tan 2x plus x. We know that tan of x plus y formula. What is that? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So in similar way expand it. In place of x 2x, in place of y. Expand it. Tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. This is equal to, we know that tan 2x formula. What is that? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. You substitute now. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x as it is by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Right? Next